When it comes to ratchet straps, there's all kinds of different sizes and shapes on the market. These retractable straps, though, have really taken the market by storm. And after being introduced to these about 2 years ago, I've kind of been on a hunt to see who's got the best one out there. So with that being said, we're checking out this one made by HandT today. This is a US brand company. It's family owned, and I'm always happy to support somebody here in the States that has a small business. Now, that being said, this particular strap here is retractable, like I mentioned. It's a 6-foot strap. So when you pull that out like so, you got 6 foot of length on this strap. You can pick these things up in different lengths depending on what it is you're looking for. What's also really cool is they have these things in a variety of different colors as well. So if you don't like the black, take a look and see if you like the blue or the red, something like that, a little bit better. But what I'm using this ultimately for is I needed a way to strap this storage tote back here on the back of my RV on the ladder here. And this retractable strap absolutely fit the bill for me the last month of traveling that we've been doing so far. So essentially I wanted to show you what this thing looked like on this tote and how exactly you operate it. Now basically you've got this S hook right here. What's nice about that is it's got this little safety hook on here as well. If you've ever tried to strap these things across the bed and hook it to a bed rail on a regular strap with just the S hook alone, you understand how hard that can be to do by yourself. This little safety hook right here does a really good job of grabbing on to even like a bed rail, and you can usually put these straps on a lot easier by yourself. Now for this right here in this application, I'm gonna just pull that out like so. I'm gonna toss it to the other side here, and then I'll come around, and what I'll do on this is I'm just gonna hook those S hooks to themselves. We'll just push this blue button down. That's gonna take up any slack that's in that strap right there. Once I get it where I want it, I'll just go ahead and hit the blue button to get that to where I can use it. And then I'll just tighten this down. And then once I'm done with that one, and this does come in a 2-pack, so I'll put the top one up here across there as well. This will be secured, ready to go down the road. So essentially you've got about 1,500 pounds of strength out of this strap before you have a chance breaking the strap in two. Other than that, when we get back home from our trip, or if we're on our camping trip and I need to get this down, you essentially just push the blue button right here. That loosens up. I'll undo my S hooks from themselves, run that off. Now I'll just hit that blue button again. That ratchets back up, so it's ready to store. I'll just toss this in the back bay so I'm ready to go again, and I've got them accessible, ready to go. Super handy straps, store really well, no tangled up mess, don't have to worry about winding those things up every time. I'm really sold on these retractable ratchet straps, guys. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. We'll catch you on the next one.